Welcome back to my channel. A few days ago, I had the opportunity to meet with the head of the Yemeni American Merchant Association. They spoke about the role fighting virus corona COVID-19 by giving out to the people safety bags. He also spoke about the role supporting the movement of Black Lives Matter. Let's hear together what he had to say.
Welcome to the Yemeni American Merchant Association. We are at this location, 6740 Fifth Avenue, Brooklyn. We're in the second year. Actually, July is going to be our second anniversary. Today we are preparing a bodega safety kit. And this bodega safety kit is going to be distributed to about 3,000 bodegas around New York City. Now, the Yemeni bodegas are these small little grocery stores, candy stores, newsstands, all around the city, all 5 boroughs. So today that's what we're going to be doing. We have close to about 1,800 packed already, as you can see behind me, and there's also another packing room in the back. And what's included in these packets are is these 2 sheets. One is for the bodega owner about how to keep his place clean and sanitized, and then this one is about the bodega worker, how to keep their hands clean when they're preparing food or they're on the cash register. So this is very important information, so that's what we're giving out. And along that with a couple of information about the Yemeni American Merchant Association, and also there's a membership form in the back. With that, there's also 8 fluid ounces of a sanitizer that we're putting in this package, and 3 KN95 masks. Now these particular masks are 5 layers, so really I got very lucky. We bought close to about 10,000 plus that we have. These are 3 KN95, 5 layers, and there's also 10 surgical masks, and on top of that we have 10 gloves, 10 latex gloves. So that's what we're giving out today. And this is what the kit looks like. The kit looks like this. And a Ziploc bag ready to go. And I want to say thank you to Key Food. Key Food has been a big sponsor for us. They gave us about 3,000 plus of these recyclable bags. And so each Key Food bag does 10 of these kits inside. So our goal is to make sure that the bodega owner knows how to keep his place clean, that the workers know how to keep themselves clean, so when they doing a sandwich or exchanging food or exchanging with the customers, that everybody's safe, that they go to their family, they're safe, the customers come to the store and they go home to their family safe. Everybody is protected, and that's the ultimate goal. And today we have these lovely people from New York Cares. New York Cares has been a partner with us. This is the 9th week. They're amazing people. We would not have been successful without them. And so here we have Angelo, who's the lead person here. Hello. Angelo, and we have my nephew Akram, who's also a captain. He's a pilot with Delta, and his Yemen Cafe gives out at least 2,000 meals a day to first responders. And then we have, I'm gonna call your name out, Sarah. We have Sarah here, and Jeremy, and we have Ruben. We have Carolyn all the way at the end. We have Gil, and we have Dakini right here. So, and they've been really, the power behind the past 8 weeks of giving out, these pantry boxes. They've helped me all the way through. I could not have done it without them. We're very productive here. We're very expeditious in the way we do things here, only because of the leadership of Angelo and everybody else. And so we have ATM World that partners up with us, and they're going to be delivering it to all these bodegas. And just in case anybody wants one of these kits, whether you're Yemeni, Muslim, or non-Muslim, if you want one of these kits, you can come down to our store, 6740 Fifth Avenue. You can call us, email us, send and get in contact with us, and we'll be happy to give you one for free. The goal is to make sure everybody's protected. So that's today. And so also later on today, matter of fact, in about another half hour, 45 minutes, we're joining Black Lives Matter. So these are the shirts that we made. As you can see on the bottom, it has our logo and Black Lives Matter logo. And today we're actually distributing close to about 90 boxes of fresh fruits and vegetables. The board of Yama, the founders, each contributed $500 along with my nephew Akram to show the love to the African American community. If we can't show it today, we're never going to show it. What hurts one person hurts everybody else. That's the way it should be. So today we're going over there now, and we also made these posters. We have some outside on our wall, and we are distributing also the posters to the bodegas. If you go to the Bronx near Fordham, you're going to see a lot of these posters, and this is just a couple of things that we're doing right now. And I want to thank you, Bassem, for coming here to Yama again and showcasing what we do. And like I said before, I want to make sure that without New York Cares partnering up with us, this would not be possible. They're amazing people, amazing volunteers. And Angelo, I'd like you to say a few words about New York Cares, please.
Absolutely. Well, first off, on behalf of New Yorkers, thank you, Naji and Dr. Debbie, for enabling us to help you educate, advocate, and elevate within the Bay Ridge community throughout the past 9 weeks. It's truly been an inspirational 9 weeks, and being able to really interact with the community in a way that Yema has initiated is inspiring, and it's been a pleasure to work alongside them. So thank you very much for that opportunity, and we'll look to continue to do the great work Yema has been doing in advocating, educating, and elevating throughout the next couple of weeks. So thank you very much.